Hey guys, right, today I just bought this laptop, HP, okay, and I just really excited to open it. Okay, let me open this. Let me take this head out this way. All right, this is 15.6-inch laptop, and this is gaming laptop, guys, and I was really excited to get it. So let me open this first. I've got this tool again. Which way do I go for? Okay, let me go at the front. Right. This is a box opener. There we go. Oh, guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, alright, that's the laptop, just came out. And I'm gonna take out everything. So this box is empty, it's got nothing. I'm gonna throw that away. Alright, I don't need that. Let me go with this first. I think that's a charging cable. Yeah, it's not much. Yeah, it's got nothing in it as well. Right. Yeah, that's a charging cable for the laptop. Okay, this looks pretty good, not bad. Okay, not bad. Usual cable, you know, it's usual. Right, that's a user guide. So yeah, that's a user guide. So if you're gonna read it, go through. Yeah, I don't really need it. But this is a big, guys. Check him out. Check this out. There we go. Here we go. Okay. All right. Oh, I think that's other way around. HP Pavilion 15.6. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. The color. I like the green color right here. This color looks so good, right? And I like the black. This is very good finish. It's a Pavilion. Yeah, Pavilion. And yeah, let me check the other side. This is the back side, guys. This is a fan. Pretty much there's nothing fancy at the back. All right. Oh, yeah, let me open this. All right, you gotta come here this way. Here we go. Let me open this. Oh, that's a cover. Didn't need this. Here we go, guys. This is a cool finish. I like the green color of the keyboard. And yeah, this is Ryzen 7 AMD GeForce GTX NVIDIA. So this is a pretty cool gaming laptop. Let me open this. Should have a battery in it. Okay, here we go. This backlight is pretty, looks awesome. Right, open it. Alright, I think it's gonna take a bit of time to process through, and yeah, this is it, guys. This is a HP laptop, and yeah, it's good. It's got one USB cable. There's a USB-C, a USB cable, HDMI, and it's got a card reader, and it's a headphone cable. So yeah, it's not. This is pretty cool. I like it. I like the design. I like the flow. I like the backlight. This is like you can use them in the night time. You know, if you don't want to turn on the light on and you just want to work in the dark. You know, so you don't need to. You didn't have an issue with the typing, so you have where to type because you got a backlight. So I like the color. It's pretty good.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay, Cortana.
A little sign in here.
Let me go with the video, and I'm gonna set up through. And thank you, guys. Thank you for staying with me. This is my laptop today. HP Pavilion.
Microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
It's a gaming laptop, guys. Gaming laptop. I'm gonna leave the details on the below. So what's the spec?
Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Come on, Cortana.
Okay,
stop it.
Enough intro. Let's dig in.
Dig in. Okay.
Your region is set to Australia. Is that right?
Yes, Australia. Okay. I think it's Cortana talking, guys. I'm gonna stop talking. So thank you very much. And this is a laptop, and I'm gonna, I might use it for a while and see how we go. But for now, this is it. This is unbox, and the design is pretty cool. I like the finish. I like the backlight. I like the green color. I'm not sure if you can change the color, but the green is pretty cool. Screen size is 15.6, so it's good for everything. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.